As Pakistan's devastating floods have impacted millions of people, a volunteer organization has donated relief supplies to flood-hit areas in Pakistan. China-Pakistan Youth Exchange Community is composed of overseas Chinese, students and young people from Pakistan. They went to the city of Nowshera to deliver relief packages, including rice, flour and infant milk powder, to 300 families affected by the torrential rains and subsequent floods. In the city of Multan, volunteers sent tents, bedding, drinking water and other supplies to 80 hard-hit families and taught them how to set up simple tents.
In this package there is a tent we have here for the family, and I want to show you what we have in this bag. See that we have this one mattress. This is the cotton mattress for one, and you can see there's a pillow in the mattress. Another mattress. There are two mattresses, two pillows, and this is the light blanket. There are two light blankets.
According to an official report on Monday, the total death toll in Pakistan from this season's monsoon rains and floods since mid-June has risen to around 1,325, along with 12,703 injured. Additionally, nearly 1.7 million houses have been destroyed, while about 750,000 heads of livestock have perished in the rains across the country.